Hey guys, and welcome back to the Time's Ticking YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jake, and if you haven't heard already, Seiko has just announced one of their biggest collaborations to date. So make sure to stick with me through this intro, because you're not going to want to miss a single detail on these Naruto and Boruto watches. Seiko has just arrived with the new and interesting 7 Seiko 5 Sports creations. 2 leading Japanese animations inspire all these new additions, Naruto and Boruto. Naruto, the Japanese animation, was first released in Japan in 2002. Then it was introduced worldwide and eventually gained mass fan following throughout the world. Boruto Uzumaki, Naruto's son, was first introduced in Naruto and then came out as a different sequel series named Boruto, based on the adventures of Boruto Uzumaki. Seiko 5 Sports is presenting their latest edition based on the well-known characters of these 2 animations: Naruto, Sasuke, Shikamaru, Lee, and Gaara from Naruto, and Boruto and Sarada from Boruto. Quite impressive, isn't it? Seiko's limited edition series will be launched in December, and they will be limited to 6,500 pieces for each edition. So, are you eager to know more about these latest versions? Let's look in detail at the 7 Seiko 5 Sports editions. The first watch we're going to be looking at is the Seiko 5 Sports Naruto Uzumaki. The most iconic outfit for Naruto was the ninja outfit that symbolizes the design of the watch. A worn-like bezel appears for the challenging training needed to become a Hokage, a title given to the leader of Naruto's village, Hidden Leaf Village. His forehead protector depicts the bezel ring plate engraved deeply with his village symbol. The spiral pattern of the dial is inspired by Naruto's ninja technique, Jutsu Rasengan. Here you will see 9 orange index points for the 9 tiles by which Naruto was sealed during midnight position. These represent his inherited pendant from the senior Hokage, Tsunade. The Japanese sign, Uzumaki clan's Kemon, which is used to adorn and identify an individual, family, or institution, is printed on the back of the case. The next watch on our list is the Sasuke Uchiha watch. The blue dial of this edition mentions Sasuke Uchiha, Naruto's friend and rival. The dial pattern reflects the trademark of Sasuke's jutsu, Chidori. In the dial, you will find the jutsu's hand sign pattern, which is discreetly highlighted on 1, 3, and 8 o'clock. The bezel, symbolized by the horizontal line of the Hidden Leaf Village, represents the scar marked on Sasuke's forehead. The unique sign of Clan Sharingan is engraved in the watch crown, and the back of the watch is printed with the Uchiha clan's Kemon. The third watch on our list is the Shikamaru Nara watch. This is another special edition of the series, which is created with the reflection of Shikamaru Nara. The greenish-black lattice dial reflects the consistency of the watch with the character of Shikamaru. The dial is designed on Shikamaru's shadow possession jutsu. The indexes of the watch presented the shape of his favorite game pieces, shogi, and the back of the watch is printed with Nara clan's Kemon. The next watch on our list is the Rock Lee watch. Jumpsuit and leg warmer, the trademark of the famous character. The color combination of the watch symbolizes Rock Lee. One side of the bezel remarks the bandages of his arms and thighs, and the other side remarks the 5th gate of the 8 inner gates, which was opened by Lee to acquire the Hidden Lotus. The backside of the case is printed with the kanji characters found on Lee's heavy ankle weight. The next watch on our list, and in my opinion one of the best looking, is the Gaara watch. This edition was created inspired by the features of the character Gaara. The dial pattern takes inspiration from sand, designed with a brown case and a pressed pattern. The kanji characters for love brought by Gaara and the one-tailed sealed inside his life are reflected in 1 o'clock index. In the dial ring and case back, you will see a pattern inspired by the mark on Gaara's gourd. The next 2 watches are inspired from the Boruto series. So, first up is the Boruto watch. This edition of the watch is inspired by the character Boruto Uzumaki, who was Naruto's son and inherited his ninja technique, Jutsu Rasengan. The watch's dial is black with a spiral pattern, and the strip is colored with vivid pink, which reflects the costume color Boruto. The animation, Boruto's logo, uses a bolt used for the indexing of midnight. The backside is printed with the Uzumaki's clan's Kemon. The second watch inspired from the Boruto series is the Sarada Uchiha watch. The red dilution of the dial of this edition is inspired by the fire style fireball jutsu of Sarada Uchiha, who inherited this technique from her father Sasuke. The indexing of the 5 o'clock position is designed by the single tomo mark, which indicates Sarada's youngness, and she is in training period to improve her Sharingan. Sarada inherited her father Sasuke and her mother Sakura's characteristics like a ninja, which is represented by the two-toned color of the bezel. The bezel and also the back of the watch are printed with Uchiha clan's Kamon. So, now that we've talked about the background of each watch, let's go more into detail about the characteristics of each one. These Seiko 5 Sports Naruto and Boruto limited edition watches are empowered by tried and trusted automatic caliber 4R36 with 24 joules. It also contains an optional manual winding and a 41-hour power reserve and a hacking second hand. These special editions will be water resistant 10 times greater and have see-through case backs. The watches are made with a nylon strap and stainless steel case for each. All of them have a diameter of 42.5mm and 13.4mm thickness. You will get these watches with an approximate recommended retail price of $570 US. Now, without wasting time, choose your special watch right, thus you can snag one of these limited editions before they go out of stock. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, make sure to give it a like, and if you'd like to see more content from us, you can subscribe right here. And as always, if you need any help repairing your watch, the link to our website is right here. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.